Good morning, ladies. Hi. Hi, pretty lady. Looks like you got attacked a little, huh? Yeah. Hi, pretty lady.